Hello, my name is Henry. I learned meditation in the Himalayas, and I've spent the last 8 years helping people to establish a daily meditation practice. Today's session is on how can I create the right environment to calm my mind. A quiet, comfortable space can help to minimize distractions during meditation. Choosing a consistent place to meditate. Removing potential interruptions, like putting your phone in silent mode. Incorporating calming elements, like soft lighting or relaxing music. And now we'll find a comfortable seated posture, spine erect, head facing forward, chin parallel to the ground. Eyes closed, mouth closed, breathing through the nose. And we'll keep our awareness here on the nose. And we'll focus on the tips of the nostrils. And we'll simply observe the flow of air as it passes the tips of the nostrils as we exhale and we inhale. And as we observe the breath, let's follow the breath. As we inhale, the flow of air passes into the nostrils, down into the esophagus, filling up the lungs. And we want to place this air into the lower lobes of the lungs, filling up the abdomen and stomach region, allowing it to expand with a full deep breath. And as we exhale, the abdomen area contracts as the lungs force air back up the esophagus and back out through the nostrils. And we'll simply follow the flow of air as we take calm, deep breaths to our own capacity, inhaling and exhaling, following the flow of air. I find sometimes it is challenging to find a quiet and comfortable space where you can meditate. But if you can, it is very helpful. If you cannot, meditating under any circumstances is better than not meditating at all. On consistency of the place of meditation, I've personally found this extremely helpful. Currently, I have 3 places where I meditate on a consistent basis. I try to get outside and meditate at least once a day. If that's not possible, then there's indoors. I have 2 places outdoors, one covered and one uncovered, and 1 place indoors. I find that being in these spaces and only using them for meditation purposes helps to prepare my mind and body for meditation. When it comes to interruptions, there are many, but finding a quiet and comfortable space and not introducing things into the environment that would cause interruptions, I find is helpful, but sometimes interruptions find us. Bring your awareness back to the tips of the nostrils. Relax the legs. Relax the pelvis. Relax the stomach. Relax the chest. Relax the forehead. Namaste.